Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all doing very well. Welcome back to the training session series from the Deanship of E-Learning and IT. Myself, Rima Shine, and today we are going to present a very interesting topic that is related to the instructional design for online and blended learning. Most of us, we know about actually the instructional design. This is not a new terminology, but why we are today talking about something online and blended learning courses. Nowadays, the courses online and the education system is implemented the blended learning, and it's a very essential part of the education system because of the new training environment. We must follow the instructions and we must follow the new things which is innovated and implemented in the education system to make the education more effective and more good outcomes for the learners. So today we will see the instructional design in the term of the how we can build our online course plus the blended learning course to make a more effective learn for the learners, and we will get the more innovative and interactive outcomes. The first question first, what is the instructional design? Let me explain in this definition, like the Association for the Education, Communication and Technology defines instructional design as the theory and the practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the processes and resources for the learning. Basically, these terminologies so much familiar with the educators and the people who is related to the education system. These terminologies are not new, but why we are today discussing, today we will discuss what new components it is going to include in these parts and make it more effective outcomes. Like we know that now the education is turned into the new era, you can say, and everyone is essentially related to the online learning and which is related to the blended learning. So we also need to make the things more innovative and some more ingredient needs to add to make it more effective outcomes. So if I make it a little simple, this definition, so I can explain the instructional design like the process by which instruction is improved through the analysis of learning needs and systematic development of learning experience. If I point out the two main things, that is the learning needs and systematic development. We first analyze what actually we need to change, or what actually we need to make improvement on it to get the actual outcomes. So first of all, to doing anything, we should know what actually we want, what actually the outcomes we need to do. And the systematic development of the learning experience. Basically, you can say that when you analyze the problem and then you will be fix it by the development of the different using the different model and different things to make your learning experience well. Instructional design is the design, development, and delivery of learning experience. It constructs those experiences in such a way that learner acquire other knowledge or skills. What would be the outcome for us? What would be the outcomes for the learner? Either it would be a knowledge or any skill. So instruction designer follow the various academic theories and models related to how people learn and cognitive process behind the learning experience. This model ensures the instruction is as effective as possible for the imparting knowledge or teaching skill to learners. So now you can say that what is actually the need of the learners? They need the more effective information, the piece of information and the knowledge, or just make their build different skills for them. So if I explain a little bit about what is the learning experience, a learning experience can refer to anything from teacher in the classroom to online courses, instructional manuals, PowerPoint presentations, and simulations. It includes any experience where the intention is for learning of any kind to take place. Instruction designers are considered to architects or learning experiences in both education and corporate environment. Then they often serve as directors and the project managers to the course lesson and development process. So what we finalized by this definition, that according to this definition, instructional designer have two primary functions. The first one, analyze learning needs, and the second one, to systematic development, improve learning experiences. As I already explained you, today we will talk about this something which is trending education system and the need of our learners, that is related to the online learning or something blended learning. Like in a COVID, we are just directly moved to the online learning and suddenly everything is happened. So we are just in a panic mode. All the instructor, all the educators just get in a panic mode and suddenly they just find out the different solutions and then implement it very successful in all over the world. But we also need all the planning, everything, all the analysis, development, design, implementation, evaluation with the online learning or a blended learning as just we need for the traditional education system. Today, I'm here not to tell you, you all are the educators and the lecturers. You know very well how to teach. Today, I'm here to tell you how you will be able to improve your teaching and how you will be able to improve your course content, how you will be able to make all the things which is going towards the training education system and for the future education system to get the more effective knowledge or skills for the learners. So, if I talk about something which is related to the online learning instructional design, so it's a process by which course designers plan out the structure and flow of their online courses, ensuring that all steps and parts are included so that their education goals are met. You can say the procedure would be changed, the model would be changed, but the base of anything would never be changed. I cannot say that you will be change the instructional design basics, but no, you will add some more ingredients to make it more effective for the learners. By implementing instructional design technique, what you can do for the online in the online environment, that would be a develop a comprehensive